I'm harvesting parts from this old triolet or triplet tube tester, and I just can't get over how beautifully this was made. All of these screws came off. I'm sorry, all of these knobs came off just beautifully. This has to be 50 or 60 years old, and I just undid this, and it just undid absolutely perfectly. It's been sitting outside, and it's just been through hell, yet all of this stuff is in such perfect condition. And, I really hate to throw it away because it's all so beautiful, but I'm taking as many parts as I can. God, they really made things so beautifully. They really did, in such good quality. USA, you did it. I don't know what happened. Well, we know what happened. All of the accountants and bookkeepers and all of those people said, hey, yeah, we can do it cheaper, and now we have nothing but crap. But America, you really made some wonderful equipment, and those were the good old days. This is what the good old days look like. I guess this is shielding for the circuits. They must have been sensitive to something. But stuff is really beautiful. Really, really beautiful. Just a gorgeous equipment. It's like a work of art. I hate to throw it away. Beautiful. I mean, look at this. This is a paper list of all the tubes and their fittings and voltages, and look at the mechanism to drive that. Just that little paper thing. God, of course it's overbuilt, but it has lasted, what, 60 years? And it was used a lot, probably, and moved around. Little light bulbs behind it. Really gorgeous. That after all these years, it's in perfect condition. It was beautiful metal. I guess it's aluminum. Brass screws. I mean, it was really beautiful. Wow. Look, this is a row of switches, and they even had brass screws and nuts and bolts holding it in place. I guess it was this capacitor probably has 3,000 volts in it. It's going to kill me in a second. But yeah, so nice. The one that got away. Everything was machined beautifully. All the little screw holes. It says Dixon on the inside. Mr. Dixon, you did a good job. Funny thing is, I'm almost at the end of this. There's not much more to harvest, but these screws are coming out. There's no lock washer on them. They're into a machine socket, and this thing has been moved around and bounced around all of these years, and they're coming out beautifully. No problem at all. The screwdriver's too big. The screwdriver head is too big, but anyway, it's coming out beautifully. And but they never fell out with all They never fell out in all these years of movement and being banged around. Yet they're beautifully seated. They must have machined it absolutely perfectly. There, I think it's out now. Window. And there it is. Beautiful.